Hello, what is up guys? I'm Gordon and welcome to another video. Well, I never thought of this day will actually come. In the previous video, I've actually talked about, there's like a woman driver putting a dent into my car, and I actually sent to a place which is known as a Paintless Dent Repair shop. And here, my friend, this is the shop. And why am I here? Yeah. Again, it is very sad to say that my car got dented yet again, right after 3 weeks after the release of that video, and the dent just come back. And this time I'm not so lucky. I didn't caught the one that put a dent into my car, so I can't really tell it is a woman or a man that put a dent into my car. So I would like to take this opportunity to show you guys how this dent repair thing actually works.
Okay, let us take a look at the situation over here. In the picture, it doesn't look really horrible, but in real life, it looks so horrible. I mean, I'm serious. Even when you are at a distance, you can clearly see the dent, even without sunlight, which to me and any car enthusiast is the most horrible thing that you can see in a clean car body. It clearly doesn't have any paint chipping problem over here, and we clearly do not want to send this car to a body shop to fill in the dent with body fillers and repaint the body. That will cost you thousands of dollars for a high quality paint job. Right over here, these are the tools that are used to repair a dented car, especially door dings. According to our car's damage, today we are going to use a couple of these, and of course never forget the classic good old hot glue gun pulling. Let's start off with the hot glue gun pulling method. The concept is pretty simple. You just have to select a suitable plastic tab and then apply hot glue on it and stick to where the dent is located. After that, professional will have to ensure that the hot glue is dry properly and then grab themselves a slide hammer to pull the tab off. And please do not try this at home. Things can go very wrong if you are not a trained professional. After that, they are going to do a little bit of body tapping to ensure everything is flush. Giving it a little polish and we are good to go. And of course, we are going to use the push method over here. First of all, we have to roll down our window, put in some sort of a plastic cover to ensure that we do not scratch the windscreen. Slide in an inflatable airbag and inflate it so that we can fit in our iron rod. After that, we are going to push the iron rods against the dented location. And this method will be repeated for a couple of times to ensure flawless results. Giving a couple of tapping to ensure that everything is flush. Give it a couple of polish and we are good to go.
So guys, as you can see, this is the result of the pulling. As you can see, the dent is pretty much completely gone. It's like this car is like brand new right now. There is no dent, no scratch, no paint chipping here and there, but the dent is completely gone. Man, I'm super impressed over here, and yeah. So I'm pretty sure that not a lot of people know that there are such service in Malaysia, and a lot of people just leave the dent in their car and they were just like accumulating the dent and then send their car to the body shop and then fix it, which is like triple the price of just sending the car here fixing the dent. And I pretty much think that I have the responsibility to let my fellow Malaysians know that there are such service in Malaysia. You can actually fix your dent in less than 15 minutes and the dent is completely gone. The car is as good as new. So guys, if you are from Malaysia and you have a couple of dents in your car and need some fixing and do not have the cash to put your car in the body shop, I recommend to come to this place. This place is super cool and they're completely removed the dent without a single scratch. I mean, seriously, the dent just vanished. It's like it never exists. So yep, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you like it. Dislike this video if you do not like it. And of course, I'm going to see you in the next video, and have a nice, beautiful day, guys.